So for our decorating ideas, we're going to be making over this space. It could be used as an entryway, and I'll be creating some decorating ideas for you. Some people have just a blank wall like this for their entryways and they don't know what to do with it. So today we'll be making over and creating some decor ideas for this space. It could be used for your entryway and a credenza decoration. If you are interested in this type of videos, please stay tuned and keep on watching. As earlier said, this is the space or canvas we're going to be working with. To start decorating any space, you want to make sure to start with a masterpiece or a base. Yes, I went with this wall art. I love them and I made sure to avoid the light switch. This I got from at-home stores. You can leave it like this, but if you want to add more elegance and chic to your space, you want to go in with an entryway table or a credenza, depending on how big your space is or what it can contain. At this point, I love it. Now we want to decorate the entryway table or the credenza or whatever you want to call it. Then we're going to go in again with another major masterpiece, which I love so much, and it's gonna be this vase. So at this point, hello guys and welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Dede, the mom, the boss. This video is in collaboration with Akilidanae, and I'm going to show you guys what beautiful products they brought or sent to me for this video. And guys, I am obsessed with Akilidanae. But let's keep on watching because I want to show you guys this first decor style before we go into the collaboration proper. So if you are a minimalist, this could just be perfect for your entryway or for your space. But because we want to be a little extra, we added some greenery or florals. These florals are so beautiful, guys. You can see how much dimension it has added to this space, and you can see how much warmth it has brought to this space. And I love it. This vase, guys, I got from at-home stores. It's so beautiful. The details on it is out of this world stunning, and the florals and the wall art, the details are just exquisite. So if you want to be extra, you're going to go ahead and accessorize it like this. In my case, I am extra but not to the moon, and this is what I came up with. How do you guys love it? I hope you do like it. This is style number 1. Hope you enjoy it and tell me how you like it, because I think I am living for it. So yeah, let's get ready to go to style number 2 so I can show you guys what Akilidanae put together for me. Akilidanae is a household supply company specialized in lighting, and they sent me these beautiful table lamps which are touch control, and they are a set of 2, guys. Very easy, and they also have 2 USB ports. Guys, I'm obsessed with these lamps. I don't even believe the lot that this lamp can do. It's touch control. You don't need any switches to turn it on or off. It just makes me happy. These lamps are very elegant and modern. That is why I'm obsessed with them, because I feel like when I'm using them, I feel luxe. Like, you will see what I mean in a minute, but I'm obsessed. It came in with a manual that I was supposed to read, but I did not read, and of course I was doing it wrong. I don't know why I put the bulbs before the shades, but anyway, these shades are fabric. I'll show you guys how I styled these lamps in a minute, guys. I am so obsessed. Tell me you're not obsessed, because I am. Look at how simple, look at how modern they look. Like, it just makes me feel happy every time I look at these lamps. I was like, oh my god, this is cute. This is cute. It elevates your space instantly. And yeah, you can see the 2 USB ports here. Use them to charge your phone, guys. Use these lamps to do anything you want. And yes, it is touch sensitive. I will show you guys what I mean in a minute. Turn it on. Just a touch sensor. Look at that.
Mommy, I need to go pee.
You need to go pee?
Yeah.
Go pee. Go pee. Daniela, touch it again. Let's see what happens. Ooh, we got this. Kudos to Akili. Oh, you like it?
Yeah.
You like the lamp? Oh. So here we have style number 3, and I am obsessed. It's giving me all the modern chic vibe, the black, the gold accents, and the white. Guys, I love it. You tell me what you think in the comment section if you are feeling it or not. And so let me use this opportunity to welcome you all to my channel. Hello, I am Dede, the mom, the boss. So if you're new to my channel, hello and welcome. I really do appreciate you stopping by. And if you're not subscribed yet and you like what you're seeing, please do well to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you would always be notified every single time I upload videos like this. So if you're an oldie but a goodie, you know I heart you. I love you. You are my egg. You're my Easter egg and my Easter bunny. I love you so much. Thank you for always sticking around and trusting me with content. I really do appreciate you. So guys, we have the Easter bunnies and the Easter egg for style number 4. Are you guys feeling it? Because I am feeling this, every bit of it.
Jumping from cliffs so high, trusting our wings to fly.
So for style number 5, this is for just people who don't like florals, but they like beautiful pieces. They just pick beautiful pieces here and there. You don't have to go with my colors. You just have to pick those pieces that you like. You put them together and you want to use the rule of odd numbers. Like here, I use like 3 rule of 3s, which you want to see 3 pieces in one place, which gives you this very eye-catching style. So you guys tell me if you like it. These are the pieces I love. You tell me the pieces you love, or you go with the pieces you love for your space. For style number 6, we are going minimal, super minimal. Like this is that modern. For those who are like modern and minimal, this is all you have to do. You don't have to do too much. Just put that one book there or that one piece that you're obsessed with, accessorize it with some glasses, and of course put that little bowl with some decor pieces in it, and boom, you're ready to go. How do you guys think? What do you guys think, rather? What do you guys think? Because I'm obsessed. I am obsessed. I'm obsessed with everything, and I'll tell you guys in the comment section what my favorite is.
The sky is falling down.
For style number 7, again, we are still going with the modern chic vibe. I know we have a lot of glam ladies here, and I am not giving you guys some glam pieces, but hey, hold on. We are coming to the glam, okay? We are coming to the glam. Just be patient with me. We are coming, because I know the gold is also glam, but some people are like, I want mirrors, you know, mirror, mirror, mirror. Yeah, so I love this. This is like, this is just, it's just giving me that vibe. I love this. Like, it's so beautiful. You tell me. Put your pieces together, guys. Just put whatever you love together. And for style number 8, we are going with matchy, you know, matchy, symmetry. You want symmetry. For those who just like to see symmetry, they don't want to think about what I'm going to do on the left and what I'm going to do on the right. This is just perfect for you. I got these vases from at home. I got everything here from at home stores except the entryway table. So yeah, so beautiful, right? I know it's beautiful. You guys tell me, how do you like it? Is the symmetry your favorite? Because I love symmetry, but I don't think I love this level of symmetry. You tell me, guys. Tell me in the comment section what you like. And of course, we have something together for our glam girls. I know this is probably not the most glam, but I guess we're trying, guys. So I put this together and I hope you guys love it. You guys, please comment your favorite of the decor styles down below. I would love to see them. And if you've watched up to this point, Please do well to comment decor. I really do appreciate you. I would love to see it. Thank you guys so much. If you've not clicked the like button yet, please click the like button and leave a comment below and share this video with somebody to inspire them as well. I would love to see you in our next video. Thank you guys so much for always sticking around with me. I really do appreciate you. Bye.